entering the steps that I should be going up in Brecon Castle, going in through the doorway into this zone as it leads through, and you've got this little bit of stairs, very derelict castle, into this space. Second part of the sound bite into a tower that's seen a complete loss of structure and matrix probably over the past 100 years. Timbers collapsing, totally neglected. Giving you stages of how a castle would deteriorate, even though this is fairly modern material collapsing down here. Gives you a good idea. It's Karl-James Langford again reporting Brecon Castle. This is Karl-James Langford in a tower in Brecon Castle. Very ruinous, very neglected. Either some kind of a tower or refurbished in fairly recent times stairwell. Loads of pigeons around here looking up to the heavens. They made efforts probably 100 years ago to refurbish this, wasn't too successful. Big chunks of concrete, doorways, lots of debris here. The camera's a bit dark, but showing you something that you wouldn't really normally get. This is an archaeology Cymru trip in Brecon Castle. Not really safe here today, but there you go, going into another part. So this is Karl-James Langford for Archaeology Cymru, a soundbite of Brecon Castle Tower.